In this SAT geometry problem, we have an equilateral triangle inscribed inside a circle. The question asks for the area of the region that lies outside the triangle but inside the circle. Let's solve it. Since we want the area outside the triangle but inside the circle, our required area is the area of the circle minus the area of the triangle. Step 1. Find the circle's area. The radius is 6, so the area is pi times 6 squared, which equals 36 pi. Step 2. Find the triangle's area. The formula is square root of 3 over 4 times a squared, where a is the side length of the triangle. For an inscribed equilateral triangle, the side length a equals square root of 3 times the radius, which is 6 root 3. So the area becomes square root of 3 over 4 times 6 root 3 squared. That simplifies to square root of 3 over 4 times 108, which equals 27 root 3. Finally, subtract 36 pi minus 27 root 3. That matches option C. Follow for more SAT practice problems.